Pag nabutas yan,
Sige. Ulitin natin.
pag nabutas yan,
Oy, apa market this past few days.
last few days.
Ang Philippine Index.
Oo. Dami nga nagtatanong sa akin
Ano mga tanong sa'yo?
ano daw magandang bilhin na stock ngayon kasi up ang market.
Ano yung nasagot mo?
Kung gusto nilang habulin yung index at meron naman silang access sa mga mutual funds or UITF, index fund na lang bilhin nila. Kasi pag umakyat ang index, it doesn't mean na all companies in the stock market are okay to buy, di ba?
That's true. And kung pupunta mo yung psc.com.ph, minsan overall index up, pero may mga isa, dalawa na parang sector na down.
Oo, so
Tama yun.
Yun, but of course, another option that they can do is to buy yung mga exchange traded funds because they track
yung
the
mga
index naman.
yung mga ETF.
Oo, but in general, magandang balita na umakyat ng index, but at the end, it's also up to you pagdating sa decision kung anong company yung bibilhin mo. But it should be based on your analysis. No?
Teka, sige, going into that, di ba, for example, ayoko ng ETF or index, gusto ko yung individual stocks, magte-trade ako. Paano ba yan? Ano bang kalakaran dyan?
Well, pag nag-a-analyze kasi na isang company.
Yan, sa analysis. Paano ba
meron
yan?
dalawang sabihin na natin main line of thought or main strategy, no? Yun yung yun yung popular, no? Yung technical analysis. Saka fundamental analysis. So there are people na mahilig sa technical analysis. Meron mahilig sa fundamental. And ako, I like combining both.
Ano ba yung technical ano ba yung technical sa fundamental analysis na yan?
Well, ano talaga siya strategy kung paano mo malalaman kung tataas ba yung price or bababa yung price ng isang stock. So, pagdating sa technical analysis, I'm sure mas ano kasi yan mas popular kasi.
Ito ba yung mga yung mga graph
charts, yung mga price, Ayan.
Parang pataw na Vogue.
Ayan. So, strike a pose. Yun yung ginagraph niya yung yung change ng price over time.
Hindi naman kailangan pag nagtatrade na ka ganun ka.
Yun yung change ng price over time. So,
change of price over time. So, may graph yan?
Oo. So, syempre, kung ang price from the past several months, so sabihin natin na it's trending up or umaakyat siya.
So, from this point to this point, kumbaga yung price, kunwari, nabili mo ng 10 pesos. Naging 20.
Tapos over the next few weeks and months, umaakyat siya. So, by technical analysis, it's good to assume na it will continue to go up.
How will you know naman if it continue to go up? Kasi may mga iba na kapag mataas na, yung iba nagte-take profit na or nagbebenta na. So ano ba yung mga basta pag nakita mong paakyat, bili lang ganon or may mga tinitingnan ka pa na whatever?
Meron pang ibang mga titingnan dyan. Yung sinasabi nila na indicators, no?
Okay.
Which can also, kasi pagdating sa technical analysis, hindi lang yung price yung titingnan dyan, pati yung volume. Kung gaano karami yung bumibili, no?
Kala ko pag nagte-trade ka, ilalaksa mo yung volume ng radyo.
Hindi. So, syempre, kunwari, yung isang stock, konti lang yung bumibili, tapos umaakyat yung price niya, parang doubtful na baka meron lang isa or dalawang institution yung...
parang election.
Oo. Pero kunwari, umaakyat siya, tapos sobrang taas din ng volume.
Meaning maraming bumibili?
Oo. So,
okay.
May sabihin natin may momentum, etc. And it will probably go up.
Yung ba yung tinatawag nila parang may conviction?
Oo, may conviction. So, yung mga yan, yung change in prices, saka yung volume, etc. May mga indicators na na mini-measure yan. At yun yung mga ginagamit ng mga technical analysts. No?
Ano pa yung mga ibang indicator? Volume, price, ano pa? Di ba may mga tinatawag pa, may mga linya-linya pa na nagko-crossover?
Yun, ano na yun mga support line, resistance line, etc.
Okay. Ano yung support line?
So, in terms of technical analysis, ang support, yun yung parang price kung saan pinakamababa yung price, no? Na pag yung price bumaba pa dun sa support line, it will probably go down further.
Okay.
Pero yung support line, yan din yung price kung saan pwedeng mag-reverse yung direction. So, kunwari meron ka support line dito, tapos yung price bumababa dyan. Pag dumating sa support line, pag umakit siya, nag-bounce dyan, it's a technical signal na aakit siya ulit.
So parang nahihiya siyang doon.
Bumaba. Para sa floor, no?
Parang floor.
Ngayon, kunwari, bumaba yung price dun sa floor, siyempre, babagsak yun.
Gumanon.
Nag-breakdown.
Yung parang nabutas.
So, bababa pa siya. So, imagine mo na lang nasa 5th floor ka ng building, no?
Tapos nabutas
yung floor. Di pupunta ka sa 4th floor.
Mahulog ka talaga.
Pero kasi pag nahulog ka doon, may next support ulit yun. Yung sahig ng 4th floor. Diba?
So parang meron kang primary support, secondary support.
And it is also the same for resistance.
Ang resistance.
So yung resistance,
yung kabaliktaran naman.
paakyat yung price, parang yan yung ceiling nung building. So pag nabutas yan,
sige. Ulitin natin.
pag nabutas yan, it's a good signal na it will continue to go up.
Kasi parang na-breach niya yung barrier.
Na-breach niya yung barrier. So, for sure, nasa 6th floor ka na. Pero, pag yan, nag-bounce off the ceiling, pababa, then, it will now go towards the support ulit. So ganyan ka. So, kuwari, ito yung resistance, ito yung support. So, yung price, nagbabounce lang yan dyan. Kaya importante na alam mo yung resistance at support.
Kasi titingnan mo kung ano yung mabutas.
Pag nabutas yan dyan, ito ngayon yung magiging bagong support. Tapos meron kang bagong resistance dyan. Nasa 6th floor ka na ng building. So doon na siya papunta. So yun yung mga iniisip ng mga technical analyst, no?
Diba meron pa yung mga average price, mga gano'n?
Yeah, meron din mga moving average, pero lahat yan, ano na yan mga formulas na ayoko nang i-discuss kasi
siguro susunod, no?
Sa susunod yung mga specific ng mga indicators. But
kasi magsa-seminar na tayo dito.
Pwede tayong maningil. Ang gusto nating maintindihan nila is pagdating sa technical analysis, it's really all about the charts and finding the relationship of the previous prices and the previous volume and trying to see kung saan pupunta, saan yung possible direction ng price based on ano nangyari in the past.
So titingnan mo lang basically yung graph or yung screen and then the indicators.
Yes, so kung siguro tiyatanong nila, paano mo malalaman yung support line, resistance line, etc. So meron ng mga resources online that they can read on just to see or learn paano ba yung support line, resistance line, etc.
Alam mo, from experience, parang as many fund managers as there are, parang as many support and resistance line. I mean, so far, nakikita ko, parang each fund manager na nakakausap
may
ko.
May sari-sariling no?
Although hindi nagkakalayo minsan, but more or less may sari-sarili din silang parang estimate, parang professional call kung ano yung support sa resistance.
Yeah, of course, kasi more than the price and the volume pala, one thing that also affects yung technical analysis mo is yung time frame mo. Titingnan mo ba yung daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, yearly charts? Kasi based on that, pwede mo ring pwede ka ring maka-draw ng support line and resistance line. So kung ang titingnan mo yung weekly chart, ang titingnan ko pala monthly chart, iba yung resistance line mo sa resistance line ko, iba yung support.
So meron kang short-term support and resistance. Meron ka ding
medium term, may long term. So, that's one of the reasons kung bakit
interesting pala yan,
pag nagtanong ka ng kanya-kanyang mga iba-ibang tao, iba-iba din yung sagot sa'yo. Kasi wala talagang one accurate or sure answer when it comes to analyzing the stock market. Kaya nga medyo sabi nila na high risk siya kasi speculative siya. Depende sa mata ng tao,
So,
sa interpretation.
Parang professional judgment din.
Yes.
Yung fundamental analysis naman na yan. Kasi parang hindi siya masyadong sikat, parang gano'n.
Kasi mas mahirap. Para sa akin mas mahirap ang fundamental
analysis.
Kasi if you want to do fundamental analysis, you need to have a good understanding of how businesses work.
Okay.
Kasi pagdating sa fundamental analysis, isa sa mga important factors dyan is yung numbers nung company itself. Ano ba yung income niya?
Telephone number?
Oo, fax number, ganyan. Yung income niya, yung mga nasa annual financial report. Magkano yung total number of assets niya?
I know one fund manager, sinasabi niya parati, Rienzie, sabi niya, I'm not really a technical analyst, but I'm really a fundamental one. At yun, nakikita ko how he works. Talagang ang dami-dami niyang ratio tinitingnan. Meron siyang tinitingnan, kunwari, enterprise book value. Siyempre, no speed na ako doon. Meron pang price to book. Ganyan. Tapos yun, tinitingnan niya rin yung price to earnings, yung dividend, ganyan. Tapos yung mga, yun nga, history ng net income, tinitingnan niya pa rin yung mga EBIT, EBITDA, yung mga ganun.
Yung gano'ng kalaki yung utang niya.
Leverage na tinatawag. Right. So figures to ang fundamental.
Figures pa rin, and may kasamang ano ba yung plano ng company.
Okay.
For example, na medyo mataas yung utang. So, isipin mo na baka pangit. But, of course, yung utang na yun was a business loan because they are planning for expansion. So, that can also be interpreted as something good, no? So, and of course, the better that a company performs, the higher the stock price will be, di ba?
Right.
May mga quarterly income na report ang inalabas ng mga company. So, pag sinabi ng isang company na sobrang laki ng kinita namin, up by 10% yung income namin.
Lalo na if it's more than estimates ng mga analysts, di ba?
Yeah, So, that's a good indication. Lalo na yung mga nag-i-invest sa stock market in the long term.
For the long term.
Yeah,
meaning mga 5 years, 10 years.
Yeah, they would
mga buy and hold.
Yes, Ang mga buy and hold primarily, ang mga priority niyan talaga is fundamental analysis kasi they would want to hold a stock of a company that will perform well in the long term.
In the long run. So, kung ako nagtitrade sa stock market, what should I use? Fundamental ba o technical analysis?
Well,
kasi minsan parang may may
mga nag-aaway, di ba?
May class of ideas. Hindi, technical ako kasi paso na yung fundamental. Yung iba naman parang, hindi, kasi, sometimes kasi the market is parang away from its fundamental value already, so biglang nagko-correct na.
Kasi para sa akin unang-una, kanya-kanyang strategy yan based on your personality.
Okay.
So, it's good to know ano yung mga strategies ng ibang tao, but in the end, you should always come up with your own strategy.
Your own strategy. Okay.
And if I will share my own strategy, I always start with the technical.
Okay.
So, I study the chart, etc. Ngayon, if I see a good company to buy, hindi ko siya binibili kagad. I will now check the fundamentals. Okay? So, kasi may nakita akong chart na may potential na umakyat. Pero pag tinignan ko yung fundamentals, teka, for the past 2 or 3 quarters, puro negative yung income nito.
May ganun ba?
We cannot really say, no? Kasi
pero maaari.
Possible, no?
Baka mamaya minamanipulate yung stock.
Yun, hindi natin alam.
Right.
But or sabihin natin mediocre lang yung earnings niya, 'di ba? Tapos ako, I'm looking for a company na to hold in the long term, mga 5 years, 'di ba? So why would I buy a company na pangit yung earnings niya for the past several quarters?
Yeah.
Kahit na yung technical, it's all pointing na aakyat, then parang mag-hesitate ako. Hanap na lang ako ng iba. So, ganun ang approach ko.
Look
Look for come up with a short list of companies to buy using technical analysis, then double check it with fundamental analysis.
Yung ibang kilala ko na fund managers, ang approach nila, most especially the fundamental ones, is ano muna sila? Parang may dalawa approach sila, top down, bottom up. So basically, a lot of fundamental fund managers I know, top down sila.
Okay.
Kumbaga,
naisip ko kotse, top down. Anyway.
Halimbawa, tinan mo na, ano bang status ng economy? Economy muna, general economy. And then for example, Philippine economy na status, paakyat. Now, kung paakyat, then titingnan nila of the economy, which particular sector would benefit most
from the situation.
From the situation and the trajectory. Like for example, right now, makikita nila is build. Diba? For the current administration. So, bakit din naman ang GDP natin, which is one of the strongest
so,
in Asia. So,
infrastructures built. So, semento, ganyan.
So with there, sige, economy Philippines, okay pa. Pagdating sa sector, sige, kung build at infra, so ano yung mga sector? So, from the sector, infra. Yung isa pang naisip is, yung isang nakausap ko na expert, kung may infra, syempre, yung mga infra companies, mangungutang yan, di ba?
So banking
din, di ba? And apart from that is real estate also. So from there, from each sector na nakikita nila, then they would, ang term is cherry pick, or mamimili sila from the sector kung anong companies ang pinaka-okay. Like for example, in banking, ang daming bangko sa Pilipinas, but which of the banking stocks would really deliver la growth? Kasi nga naman, kung ikaw ang investor, kunwari may 100 million ka, alangan naman lahat yun isugal mo sa isang bangko.
Yes.
Right? Or kung may 100 million ka, alangan naman lahat yun sa infrastructure lang. So kung magda-diversify ka, dapat kumbaga the best use of your money, baka mamaya nilagay mo yung 100M mo, ang upside mo is 5% lang, pero yung isa pala is 10% pala yung pwede kita. Dito na ako sa 10%, di ba? So, yung ibang fund manager, ganun din. Kumbaga, parang pag ganun sila,
so, individually, yung fundamental analysis, marami din siyang iba't ibang klaseng way to approach it, no?
Exactly. Which is very interesting din. But ako naman, as a financial planner, ang naisip ko naman dyan is whether they do technical analysis or fundamental analysis. Ako lang ang bottom line ko talaga at the end of the day is the target amount na kailangan nila. So for example, retirement fund, kailangan nila ng 10 million retirement fund in 25 years time. So ako, ang bottom line ko is
anong stock ang kayang
makapagdala sa'yo to 25 million to 10 million in 25 years time. Or can you trade your way towards 10 million for the next 25 years? Kaya mo ba yan? Or kung buy and hold ka, sige, buy and hold ka lang. But again, bottom line is at the end of 25 years, may 10 million ka. That's the bottom line. So whether you do technical, fundamental, or mixture, then
you should always base your decisions on your financial goal. Yun yung foundation.
Yes, on your financial goals. And truth to tell, a lot of investors, sinasabi ko rin, well, you can do both. Like for example, kung feeling mo, magaling ka mag-trade, okay? Di pwedeng karamihan ng portfolio mo is trading. Tapos meron ka rin konti buy and hold. Or kung feeling mo naman, halimbawa, tamad ka mag-trade, pwedeng mag-buy and hold ka, tapos meron ka lang 10-20% na trading portfolio.
That's right.
Basta, at the end of the day, makapunta ka doon sa target amount.
Ako, ang stocks ko lahat buy and hold. Kasi, I trade Forex.
So si Forex yung trading portfolio.
Which we can probably discuss one of these days. Mababa na yung video natin. So, sige. I hope marami kayong natutunan and we gave you an idea what technical and fundamental analysis is. So, if you have questions, then you can just email us or leave a comment below for your questions and we will answer them. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos. Bye!